Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the spelling corrector project using Python. This will be the project folder. Let's open the terminal by writing cmd then python space spelling correction.py. We have to run that Python file and it will open the software. Welcome to spell corrector application. Like we have to give the input word and then click on correction button. So it will give the corrected word like apple. Let's give another word. Banana. We are using 2n and it will give the corrected word. Okay, let's click on clear. So it will reset the entry blocks. I'm just entering spelling and it will show the corrected word. Let's clear this and write India and click on correction button. So it will give the correct word as India. Okay, let's clear. You can enter any word and it will give the corrected word in the output. This will be the complete project, and this project developed using Python programming language. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.